journey they started Sunday and wa flower border and I yet to make a bag bozume and ya dekitwa so on the day I was a course so my secondary school and a lot of sporting events around the way into a stoppé along the way and I didn't go for Kasai about fire safety and burns prevention and run was our day 2. That day we ran from Agbozume to Abo Secondary School and then from there Akachi Secondary Technical. Amazing, and run was fantastic. We spoke to over 1,000 students and run. And I know pay continue from Akachi and a year to Mrikasa Abakopa. Abakopa is only about 10 kilometers from Sogakopa. You school be in a St. Catherine Secondary School. And then we spoke to about 500 students. Hanomoto, Okada exhaust pipe, Shinkro for and the students now your commitment say now when everybody gets on the motorbike, they will get off on the left hand side because so we see on the right hand side your chances of being bent is much higher than on the left hand side. So that was the main commitment today. And then you focus your Okada bends and how we can prevent that. So the school is fantastic. A girls' school, a Bensugakopa, a Krubi Efreno, Agbakopa. It's a Catholic school. The teachers, the headmistress, everybody was brilliant. And Yening girls Nubon Komono, they were very engaged and they were asking very pertinent questions. And I think I learned something every day from my young people on this trip. So they are very engaged. If you have more opportunity to express themselves, they will take things to the next level. And burn safety, fire safety, the people who we should focus on are the younger ones, and this run is completely targeting that. And to know so far, Minda St. Catherine Senior High School, I say, the teachers and the students for being really supportive and welcoming.
We're taught how to maintain ourselves when we are being in the kitchen. That's how to place the saucepan properly on the stove so that we don't get hit and then burn ourselves. And also, we're taught the first day when we get a burn, how to treat it.